Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the last episode you saw me preparing the engine bay for the engine. Don't mind the valve cover, it's an old one, doesn't matter. So in this episode I'm going to install the lower control arms so I can tighten up the subframe and then I can put the engine back in, and if we have time we'll move up to the interior to get that painted as well. Okay, so I'm not tightening these up just yet. They're hand tight, well, a bit more. Because I'm gonna tighten these when I can put the suspension under load, which I need the whole suspension for anyway, preferably with a wheel on, just like I did in the rear. So I'm gonna leave it like this and move up to the other side. Okay, next up, putting the engine on the engine hoist. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tip. If you wanna pump this up, it's gonna take a while to bump it up. So what you do is, you lift it, you pump it about 10 times. That's it, there you go. It's already halfway up. Now you can move it to the desired position. And I've got a new tool. Bought myself an engine leveler. I hope this works out with my engine. We'll see. Right, so the engine is on the engine leveler. Well, the engine leveler is on the engine. Anyway, it's reasonably level. Put it in a hole over here on a stud, and then on the top bolt of the starter. And yeah, let's put you guys on a good spot and let's install the engine, I guess. Well, I hope the angle was good because I'm not doing that anymore. Staying in now. Okay, let's just clean everything up a bit and then I'll come back to you guys. This is looking sick. I'm totally in love with it. So I just mocked up the exhaust manifold on it and the supercharger, of course. It's not bolted down, it's not ready yet, but just for, well, the first impression, this is awesome. Alright, so took a bit longer than I expected, so I'm not gonna go and paint the interior yet. That's why I've got all the masking tape over here. That's for this week or next weekend maybe. Yeah, if you liked the video, just give a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and yeah, hope to see you next time. Bye guys.